There are a whole lot of victories in gardening, but I'm just about to face a heartbreak, and that is taking out this gorgeous buff beauty climbing rose. It's not so gorgeous right now. It's got Rose Rosette disease, and I've been hoping that what I was seeing over the last year was not what I was thinking it was, but I can't deny it anymore. This is a viral disease. There is no cure. It's vectored by mites, and this is one of the ways in which it presents this sort of witch's broom growth, which is congested growth, which is terrific if you find it in a conifer, because you can then make other new conifers with it and vegetatively propagate it. And hey, that's a lot of fun, but ain't good here. Also, the excessive reddening of new foliage that doesn't go away. It doesn't turn green, and it's very red. It's like way too red. And lastly, here on this rose, just sudden cane death syndrome, which is a very healthy cane that really should not have died. So I got to take it out. And the worst part is that I can't really, in good conscience, replace it with another. A, I've got Rose Rosette disease here, obviously, and it would be stupid to put in another expensive rose for a while at least. And B, there is this disease or syndrome in roses where if you plant a rose where another rose was, it's called rose sickness, and they don't really know why it happens, but it does happen, and the plant is usually not as vigorous. So probably a clematis or another type of vine. I'm going to grow Buff Beauty again someday, just maybe not right now. Oh, it's so beautiful.